Hi there folks, in this video we'll be learning about conditional statements in Python. Conditional statements often referred to as if-then statement. Allow the programmer to execute certain pieces of code depending on some Boolean condition. A basic example of Python condition statement is this one. So let's assign the variable x a value of 0, right? So let this called the conditional statement, in which it begins with an if, then elif, and then else, right? So the first one, we said that x is equal to 0. If x equal to 0, print the value x, and then said that the value is equal to 0. If else, if x is bigger than 0, print the value x is positive integer. If x is less than 0, then print the value the value stored in the variable x, and then write its negative value. Else, if all these conditions are not met, then print x is unlike anything I have ever seen. So if we assign the value 0 to x, we will be having this code: print x, which is 0, is 0. Right. If we assign the value of -4 to x, we will be printing this function, right? -4 is a negative value. And then if we give the value x the value of 6, then we will be running this code. X is bigger than 0, then print x is positive number, right? So great. Note especially to use the colons here and a white space, which is here, to denote separate blocks of code. You have to notice that the conditional statements in Python are a way of representing a decision tree. A decision tree is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like model of decisions and their possible consequences, including a chance, event, outcomes, resource costs, and utility. It is one way to display an algorithm that only contains conditional control statements. This definition has been retrieved from Wikipedia. You can Google it, basically. So the conditional statements in Python are highly important because we will be using those the control flow of this conditional statements to build our artificial intelligence models in the upcoming videos, right? So what is control flow? Control flow is where the rubber really meets the road in programming, right? Without it, a program is simply a list of statements that are consequentially executed. With the control flow, you can execute certain code blocks conditionally or repeatedly. These basic building blocks can be combined to create surprisingly sophisticated programs, and also writing sophisticated artificial intelligence code, right? In the next video, we will be covering actually the loop statements, including for and while loop, and the accompanying break, continue, and pass, which are highly important for machine learning algorithms. Thank you. See you in the next video.